Trying to find balance in between, but it's like my life getting dizzy. Praying out loud, can you hear me? Coming out, I don't consume me.
Back home, visiting family.
What in the world?
Say hey, Nanny. Nanny.
Hey, child.
Yes.
Say what's up, Nels.
So Ben Simmons finally made it. The best part is that Chick-fil-A trolled him in their app on this highlighted part of the Brickin' for Chicken.
Why you saying hey like that? What's wrong? What's wrong with TJ?
Oh shit. I be forgetting I'm recording. Like, that be the problem. If I don't be talking about that and I be doing stuff, I will forget that I'm recording. I don't know why my phone and it just being in my hair is not just a necessity. But I'm rolling. Ready to get things ready, you know, just in place or whatever. I had a roll and some rice and gravy because you know this side right here they eat me, eat me, eat me. It's not wrong with that, but you know, gotta get the sides. So yeah, I'm about to go have me a little session. Leg up. So yeah, look, you know the vibes. Happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving. I'm thankful. I'm blessed. Nonetheless. Damn, I should have brought me a drink. I didn't think about that. But let's take a few hits. I'm gonna put the keys up here, child. So. Sissy let me use the V.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages. Talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. No break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make.
Hey, I'm about to take the locks out. I'm gonna miss the locks. These was my girls. You know, I love the locks. Real staple piece, but the bob lock really did its job. It's time to prepare for the Raw Wave concert and the next style. I'm gonna miss the locks. Love them up like this. Okay, let's just take them out. Yes, the bob was bobbing. had it in for about a month and a half, about a month and some change. I wouldn't say a month and a half, about a month and some change. Yeah. Yes. Easy method. I know it looked like I was pulling rough, but I'm really not pulling rough. Because I just do the method to where no crochet and no editing the hair. Just literally wrapping. So the process like this can just be easier. But yes, got a little growth,
Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't need sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Freedom just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot you love me. You love me.
Okay, so I was gonna vlog at the mall, but I didn't want to vlog at the mall. I was kind of in a rush, and I was kind of nervous, so key, which I don't know why, because I vlog in public. I don't really care. But I ended up finding something to wear. And I'm so glad that I did. But I'm about to eat right now. I just really wanted to come and say that because I'm going to see Rod Wave tomorrow. Like, what? Right?
Trying to find balance in between, but it's like my life getting dizzy. Praying out loud, can you hear me? Coming out, I don't conceal me.